Hey guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video guys is we're going to unbox another smartwatch. This is the i9 Ultra Max. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh here. Welcome back to our channel, and I just want to say guys, Happy New Year. And guys, we have here another smartwatch. This is the i9 Ultra Max. So guys, if you're interested, you can tap on the link in the description box and you can check it out. So without further ado guys, let's open the box. So we have here the different items inside. So we have here guys the manual. Alright, and if you have any questions, just refer to your manual. It is also in English. Okay, and then there's also a screen protector, which is nice. And then we also have here the wireless charging cable for your watch, and we have here the orange strap. It is actually silicone, you guys. Okay, that's nice. And also we have here the watch itself. So let's set that one aside and let's take that one out. Okay, so it's beautiful guys. And as you can see, on the right, so we have here the different parts. Okay, so by the way, we have here the crown, and then we also have here another button below, and also the microphone. And on the left, so we have here the speaker grill, and I think this is for a shortcut for the sports. Okay, alright guys, so let's turn it on. Okay, you can turn it on guys by pressing the button below. Okay, and then we have here, so we have also here guys the crown. So when you are going to turn the crown, or you're going to change the watch faces, so it's pretty nice. And then when you tap that one or double press that one, then it will change the style. This is nice guys. So let's try to have the list page or the list style so that we can see the different features. Okay, so we have here the dialer. Okay, and also we have here phone book, and then also the heart rate. So the sensors are actually lighting up, so it means it's working. But this is guys, it's just only for reference. So if you have any concerns about your health, you really have to go to your doctor. And then we also hear phone book, blood oxygen level, SOS, health recyclic, ECG. We also have here sports, WhatsApp, camera, blood pressure. Okay, and then we also have here music, Twitter, reset, and also looking for sleep, and the calculator, calendar, menu style, message, stopwatch, and we have here also the game. So this is nice, especially if you are bored, so you can play using your i9 Ultra Max smartwatch. Okay, and also we have here the settings. So we have here SIRI, set the date, backlight time, back to dial, function, key reset. So and then you can set the backlight time guys to 30 seconds, screensaver, and backlight brightness. So that's really nice guys. Alright, and then alright, so I'm gonna wear this watch guys. Okay, so as you can see, it is really nice guys. And when you swipe down, you can see there the message notification, and swipe up, you have here the widgets. So guys, this is really an affordable smartwatch. If you're looking for a perfect present, or for like a birthday gift to someone, then this one is really good. It's really affordable, yet you can already get the decent feature of this smartwatch. So guys, if you have any questions, just comment down below. And if you like this video guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing to our channel. Once again guys, Happy New Year. This is Josh, and I will see you on our next video.